Hi, welcome back to the channel, and we're back in the garage. So where are we up to? Last time you saw us, the Renault Captur was going off to paint. That's done, it's painted, it's over there. I'll show you in a minute. What's next? There's something here that's next. What I'm going to do, hopefully, is going to drop in some little hints and, you know, around what we've bought next, because we have bought something. There is another project in the garage. It's right here, right? It's try to point properly. It's there, look, under that big blue cover, and I'll show you that in a second as well, and I will reveal what we have. So how did it go with the Captur? You saw it was really lightly damaged, category N, not an economical repair for the insurance company, using all Renault parts, Renault body shop or approved body shop or whatever. Anyway, so they decided it was cheaper for them to just pay out for market value of the car, whatever that may be, rather than to actually repair it. I disagree. The car's fantastic. It's running, driving, it goes great. Serviced it, new oil filter, all that sort of stuff, and it's just a great little family car. No dramas whatsoever. The paint is gorgeous. Without further ado, gotta say, without further ado, everybody has to say that. And also guys, right? You have to get guys in the video too. So anyway, so let's show you what the Captur looks like. So here it is. It's kind of stuffed in the garage because the other project is right there. But yeah, so new bumper, new bonnet, brand new second-hand wing, all of the bits and pieces together. Like, honestly, if it wasn't for the fact it's categorized and obviously we've got the videos and everything on the internet, you wouldn't know this is damaged at all. Gorgeous finish on the paint. So big thanks to our local paint shop here, Premtech. That's who I used for this in Nuneaton, and they've done a lovely job on the Captur. So it's all nice and clean. God, the interior was filthy. Whoever drove it previously, I think there was an entire pharmacy's worth of makeup on the steering wheel. But we cleaned all of that up using the old Sam's detailing stuff. And it's all ready to go. So what do you reckon? Any ideas what we've got? Any ideas what the next project is? Right, it's right behind me. I've showed you. You should know. I bet somebody out there in the comments knows exactly what this is. So pause the video now and give me your guess as to what we bought next. I'll give you a clue. It's category N. It's black, and it's something from a stable that we've dealt with before. Making you hang on for too much longer, let's go have a look. Any ideas? Some seats in there, maybe that might give a few of you some clues. No? Just keep pulling the cover off. As soon as you get around the back, you'll know exactly what it is. Boom. There we go. So this is a VW Up 2017, and this is a high up. So this is a post facelift, which means it's a TSI, 1 litre, 90 brake horsepower, some extra bits and pieces like nice alloy wheels, all that sort of stuff. But as I think you probably saw from the front, it had a bit of a wallop. So again, this is category N, but there's quite a bit more to go at this time around. So what is the damage? Well, obviously we need to take it all apart to figure out exactly what we need to buy. Headlights both look okay, look salvageable. Bonnet looks alright, doesn't look as if it's been damaged or kinked. Similarly, the wings, although the driver's door does catch this wing when you open it. So that means that this has definitely been pushed down and back, this front wing. Clearly the bumper is dead. Also, it won't keep any coolant in it. It all leaks out the bottom. Hence, I've got some trays down there, look, full of radiator water. I expect that it'll probably need a condenser, so there'll be aircon to do. Slam panel. I mean, you know, I don't know what to say about that. But this is definitely going to need a slam panel, right? Because if you open it up, you can see that, you know, bits and pieces are cracked. You can see the crash bar down there, which forms part of the slam panel, is absolutely bent and torn off. So this is going to be more of a challenge. But the biggest part of the challenge for me, and it represents something I've never done before, so it'll be a first for the channel, is that, of course, the airbags are gone. Passenger airbag, driver's airbag, both gone. Driver's is nice and easy, of course, but passenger airbag means we're going to have to take the dash out. Okay. Also, you can't quite see over there, but this seat belt here, I mean, it's like a guitar string, that thing. You know, it's really tight. So yeah, we're gonna have to see how that plays out. Gonna have to try and get some new belts. The back ones are okay. I've checked the back ones; they're all right. But coming further back, he says, falling over, the rest of the car looks good. It's filthy, of course, like everyone is, but you know, boot's okay. Interior looks relatively clean, certainly a lot cleaner than the Renault was when it got here. It's got a spare wheel, complete with jack and all that sort of stuff. So the towing eye, the locking wheel nut, always a bonus. So yeah, that is the car. Which is over here, you can see that's pretty badly bent. That is more than I can deal with. I don't have a jig. I don't have any method of bringing that back into line. Yeah, that's it for this one. So if you have been, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you can. If you're not subscribed already, it seems, according to the analytics, that only 5% of the people that watch this channel actually have hit that subscribe button. So if you haven't done that and you are considering it, please do that. It is free, doesn't cost you anything, but it does help the channel out incredibly. We just passed 800 subscribers, which is an amazing achievement, not somewhere I'd ever thought I'd get to. So yeah, like and subscribe, share it with your friends, family, even your boss. If you don't like the video, it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with you, but you know, thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.